Water, the true source of all life. It covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface and makes up about 70% of our bodies. Water is with us almost every moment of the day. We drink it at home, at work, and when we're out for a walk. When we're thirsty, we rarely think about the quality of the water we drink, something that can have a big impact on our health and well-being. It's important that we all have access to the highest quality and healthiest water possible every day, wherever we are and whatever we do. This is why we created Coral Mine, the easiest and most affordable way to drink water that is truly good for our bodies. At the southern tip of Japan is the island of Okinawa, the birthplace of Coral Mine and home to some of the oldest coral reefs on Earth, surrounded by the crystal clear waters of the South China Sea. Okinawa is a vibrant place with stunning lagoons, endless varieties of sea life, and pristine nature. This special place also holds the secret to longevity. Okinawa is famous throughout the world for its high life expectancy. Many of the villages on the island are between 80 and 115 years old, most of them leading active and healthy lives. It's here, amidst the stunning natural beauty, that Coral Mine, a universal system for pure drinking water, is produced. The concept is based on crushed coral, whose skeleton is genetically similar to human skeleton and contains a wide variety of mineral salts. These are mainly calcium and magnesium salts. It also contains potassium, iron, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, zinc, and many other minerals. Coral accumulates its beneficial properties over many centuries. When coral ends its natural life cycle, it settles on the sea floor, enriched with the whole spectrum of minerals contained in the sea. The government of Japan carefully controls how this ancient coral from Okinawa is harvested, ensuring the growth of new coral and preserving the delicate ecological balance. The raw material is sorted and transferred to the manufacturing facility. Here, it undergoes a specialized process. The coral powder is washed, sterilized, sifted, and packaged into 1-gram paper sachets. When placed in water, the Coral Mine sachet enriches it with beneficial minerals in their most bioavailable form, and the water reaches its full nutritional potential. Drinking water with Coral Mine has a positive effect on the whole body. Its unique mineral composition regulates the water-salt balance in the body and helps to normalize all vital functions and systems. The health benefits of coral were first mentioned in the 9th century. Modern scientists began studying coral sand in the 1980s, adding it to crackers to measure levels of calcium absorption in elderly people. The scientific studies continued, building a substantial body of knowledge about coral's benefits to humans. The research continues to this day, with new discoveries about the beneficial effects of Coral Mine on water. The latest study was undertaken by Professor Jerman, head of the Bion Institute in Slovenia, where the special properties of water have been studied and tested for over 28 years. Professor Jerman was amazed by Coral Mine's effect on water, and he is now preparing a scientific article on his research for publication. With Coral Mine, everyone can drink the highest quality water. We are what we drink. By improving the water that we drink, we improve ourselves.